Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin, and it's day 4 of my special Whisky Advent Calendar series. I'm using the Flaviar Advent Calendar. I'm not sponsored by them, but they have a great calendar, a lot of variety. It includes a nice Glencairn glass and tasting notes, which I will not be looking at right away. I'll wait to the end. I want to maximize the amount of pressure on myself to guess one right. Now this is day 4. The first 3 days were kind of a bust. I kind of looked at the bottle the first day, knew it was an Irish whiskey. That was a cheat. The next 2 days are a little tough. Let's keep a good thought for today that I might get something right. One of my friends said it was awful brave of me to do these blind tastings on camera. Am I brave or am I a fool? All right, I'm trying to keep these videos fairly short, around 5 minutes or so, because there's 24 of them this month, and I'd like you to watch as many as you can without consuming your whole end of 2020. Let me grab bottle number 4 out of the box. Let me find bottle number 4. They've got them all over the, there it is. So, one of these I'll be able to do gracefully. But this is not the one. Oh, there we go. Okay, whoops, almost looked at the bottle. The bottle has the country of origin for the whiskey on it, and that's too much of a clue. So I'm just gonna keep the bottle hidden, look at the number on top. It's bottle number 4, so I'm on the right day. Not gonna look at those tasting notes. My tasting glass. Let's dig in. I try not to pour this whole thing because I want to have some to try later. It's always good to try whiskey at different times to see if your taste buds change. So here we are, bottle number 4. Let's see if I can get close to what this is. Very sweet. Honey. Oh, this smells like a nice Highland Scotch. There's some vanilla, there's some honey. A little bit of like barrel notes in there, maybe a little spice from the oak. Yeah, this seems like, I'll be really thrilled if I get one right. This seems like the Highland Scotch. Oh, it's got some butterscotch in there, and a little bit more of the oak spice. Not a very high proof, maybe 43, maybe up to 46, but not too high proof. ABV 43, 46. I'm getting some nutty notes on the finish, and a nice little cinnamon spice on the finish. Yeah, there's a lot of cinnamon there. There's a lot of nice spice. All right, let's see if I'm even close. At least tell me it's Scotch, please. Sorry. It's a product of Israel. So maybe they're doing a great job of copying the Scotch style whiskey production. I don't know. That's not Scotland. That's Israel. All right. Let me look at the tasting notes. The tasting note cards are really great because I can't even look at the front of these because they give you a little hint as to what the country will be. There's a verse from Exodus on there in case you can't read it. And the back has the Flaviar tasting spiral on it with all the tasting notes, which is really helpful. Let's see what I got right about it. All right, this is M&H Milk and Honey. It's a classic single malt whiskey. So, okay, I mean, that's a Scottish whiskey, right? Even though it's in Israel. And we've got some oak, which I could definitely tell, vanilla, some floral, dates, grain, toffee, roasted, caramel, and spicy. So I didn't get the country right, but I think I'll give myself a B on this one because I actually got all the notes close enough to give me some credit for this one. So let me try it again with the notes in mind. Yeah, the spice has been there. I really got that. It seems cinnamon to me. They're not saying cinnamon here, but the spice for me is cinnamon. Definitely get the oak and the caramel and vanilla. Very floral on the nose. Yep, very nice, very nice. Again, Flaviar comes through with a unique whiskey, the one I've never tasted from a distillery I've never had before. If you are enjoying these videos, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button. I'm looking to get my subscriber count up to 300 by the end of this year, so any subscriptions are greatly appreciated. Thank you for all my current subscribers, and bang that bell if you want to get notified of new videos, since these are coming rapid fire once a day. Also, if you're interested in Flaviar, I have a link in my description. Check that out below. Give me any comments that you have on this video, or if you've done any whiskey advent calendars. I'd love to hear about your experience, which ones you've liked and why you like them. Check in on your friends, be kind to others, and until tomorrow, cheers.